Hi friends, how are you? It's Miss Land. Time to do some science. We were talking about science, physical science. Do you remember last time that we were together? Well, we were talking about motion. What was motion? Do you remember? Right, motion is something that is moving. We talked last time about sorting things into categories of moving in motion and not in motion. Do you remember what we had in our categories? Remember, in motion we said we put a boat and a car and a plane. Not in motion, we had a pencil, a cup, a book. So today we're going to continue on talking about motion, but something I wanted to talk to you about was this word. That word is force. Force. Do you know what force means? Think about it for a minute. So force is a push or a pull of an object that affects its motion. Okay? We're going to be talking about pushes and pulls. This is the word pull. Let's pretend, right? I have a rope and I'm pulling it towards me, right? I'm pulling the rope. So a pull, right? You're exerting force, right? And you're causing movement and it's something that's coming towards you. All right, now how about this word? Push. Push. Okay, so watch, ready? Push. Watch my hand. Now I'm doing this. I'm pushing. Pulling, I was going towards me. Pushing, I'm going away. I'm exerting force, but away from me. I'm pushing or I'm shoving, right? So that's the difference between pull and push. I wanted to show you in my big physical science book. Let's look today. All right, so let's see what it says. Hard push, soft push. Okay, so let's see. We're going to focus on those pushes in here. A kick is a push. A push moves something away. Isn't that what Miss Land just said? A push can be hard or soft. So look at this girl here. Do you think she's giving a hard push or a soft push? Yeah, she looks like she's looks like she's kind of running at it fast. I can even see her muscles in her legs. And it looks like she is probably giving it a hard push. And it says here, a hard kick pushes the ball away faster. It goes a longer way. Sometimes it's hard to tell from the pictures, but you use some clues to see if they're doing hard push or soft push. Now look here at this picture. A soft kick. See how these guys don't look like they're really running fast like the girl on the other page was? They look like they're just kind of kicking the ball back and forth to each other, and they're not standing terribly far away from each other, so they're pretty close to each other. So it looks like they don't really have to give a hard push to make the ball go that fast or that far. Because they're pretty close to each other, they could give it a soft push. A soft kick pushes the ball away slowly. It does not go far. Attached to this lesson, I'm also going to attach a video that I took of Jordan outside giving an example of a soft kick, a soft push, and a hard kick, a hard push. So you will see him demonstrate how when he gave one of the balls a soft push and a soft kick, the ball did not go as far. But when the other soccer ball he kicked harder, the ball went further away. Okay? Something else I wanted to tell you is that the bigger the object, so the greater the mass of an object, the harder you might have to push it in order for it to go a distance. okay? That the force is needed more on, let's say, bigger objects. So for instance, if we had 2 soccer balls, right? And the bigger soccer ball, I might have to kick a little harder for it to go maybe as far as the smaller soccer ball, okay? I also wanted to show you this. I thought this would be a fun activity for you guys to do, and you can do this at home. We've been talking a lot about Venn diagrams because they compare and contrast. We did this in our last science unit when we talked about butterflies and moths. We also did this in reading when we were comparing and contrasting stories. Well, let's use this graphic organizer again so we can see about pushes and pulls, okay? And things that both you can push and pull. I'll also attach to this lesson instructions about how you can complete this at home. Once again, in the lesson, it actually shows, which I thought was really cool, that I'll attach to the lesson, the directions. It showed 2 big hula hoops. And the boys and girls took 2 big hula hoops and they put them down on their living room, and then they placed the objects in the hula hoops, making a Venn diagram. I thought that was really cool. Or, I said, you can draw a picture of it on your paper. I know some of you guys have been doing that, and that is fantastic too. You've been so creative, which I love, okay? So you can find things around your house, or like, for instance, I just drew pictures on my paper and then I'm gonna place them in the right category. You could do that too. Or just draw pictures right on your Venn diagram, whatever you think is best. All right, so let's see. Ready? Swings. Swings. Are you pushing? Sorry. Are you pushing the swings? Are you pulling the swings? Are you doing both? Okay, so usually, right, if you stand behind the swing, you're giving a push to a friend. So you're pushing the swing. Let's put that in the push. All right, how about a door? A door. So a door, I thought, could be both, because there's certain doors you need to pull open and there's certain doors you need to push open. So that could be either, right? You could push a door open or you could pull open a door. All right, how about this one? Carrot. So a carrot grows in the ground and you're gonna pull it out of the ground, right? So let's put this over here with pull. All right, how about this? Kite. So this one I'm gonna pull on the string of the kite, right? As I run with it and it flaps in the wind. Okay, let's look at this one. These are drawers. So this also, I thought both. You could pull out a drawer to open it, but then you need to push it in to close it. So that could be both. Okay, how about this one? Yes, this is a lawnmower. So what do you do with your lawnmower? Yeah, you're gonna push it. I'm gonna push it along to mow my grass. All right, I have one more. This one is a light. Have you ever seen this? If you go into your closet, some closets, if you open them up and then you have the light bulb up top on the ceiling and you pull down this string and it turns on the light. I have this in my closet. So this would be a pull, okay? So see how I organized my pictures? My pushes are swings and a lawnmower. For both, I have a door and drawers. And for pull, I have a carrot, a kite, and a light. All right, let me see what you guys come up with. I know you're gonna be creative. I love that you're growing your brains. Kiss your brain for being smart. You guys are doing a great job. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you next time.